Okay, so I'm just going to teach you how to do your format for your paper. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to hit File, New, and then you can just type up here APA, and it'll give you a whole bunch of different templates. I like this one, APA style paper. The other one has like a lot of different things. It's not really like helpful. This one's really helpful. So just first thing you want to do is just double click in the running head, give your work a title. For I was just going to use sample paper. This can usually be unless your professor asks you to give it a title, it can just usually be the title of the assignment. So once again, you're going to click in here, sample paper, then your name. I'll just put my name. For starters, institutional affiliation just means the university you go to. So for you it would be Rutgers University. Most people have like an author note. You don't really need one because you're not doing like any kind of big study. An abstract is just like a summary of your paper, but that's like once again for like bigger studies, so you don't really need that. You can just kind of click delete to get that pulled up, and then so you can like add your title here once again, which should be sample paper. And then when you click on this, you could just start typing like I decided like poverty is bad. So then you could just kind of start typing from there. Blah 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 blah. And then these are like different headings, but you don't really need them. Once again, those are for like really big studies to talk about like research and like how you got the data that you collected and things like that. But you don't really need that, so you can just delete all of that. And then you could just honestly keep hitting the delete button because I'm going to teach you how to do all the other things a little bit later. So you really could just keep deleting everything that comes after it. When you get to like this little chart right here, you can just click the whole chart and delete the chart. Delete the whole table. And you can just once again, just delete all this mess. All that mess goes bye-bye. So all you're left with, sample paper, your information, and your sample. So I'm going to flip over to my paper in a second if it lets me. So this is my paper. As you can see, it has a running head. It has materials analysis 1, which is the title of my work, my name, the school that I go to, and then I typed in an introduction because my my study was a little bit bigger than what you're doing, so I gave it its own section. And you can see where I just start typing my paper, and then I just keep typing my paper, and then I just keep typing my paper, and then there was another section, and this analysis of the material was what my professor asked me to do, so I just gave it its own section title. You can ask your professor if she or he wants that to be in different sections, or the paper just to be in one long continuous paper. And then we're going to get to the references section. That is put together automatically, so you don't even have to type the word references. So that's pretty easy, and we're going to continue that in the next video. But once again, if you have any more questions, you can always either email me your paper at chterry@gac.upenn.edu, or you can call me, or if you have any questions about anything. But that's just the setup.